OpenAI just dropped the biggest AI announcement of 2025, and if you're not paying attention, you're already behind. They launched an app platform with 800 million users on day one. GPT-5 is here for coding. Video generation from sketches, voice AI for pennies, and AI agents you can build without writing code. This isn't the future. This happened yesterday. Let's break it down fast. First, the ChatGPT app platform. 800 million active users, day one. Not after years of growth, day one. Instagram took years to hit 100 million. ChatGPT already has 800 million people ready to use apps built directly into conversations.
Here's why this matters. Apps aren't separate destinations anymore. They live inside ChatGPT.
No downloads, no context switching, no friction. For developers, this is the new gold rush. You're building tools inside the world's most used AI.
How do these apps actually work? Model Context Protocol, MCP. ChatGPT can now see what you're looking at in real time. Working on a spreadsheet, ChatGPT sees it, understands it, and can analyze it instantly. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's a context-aware AI colleague that understands your entire workflow.
For developers, your apps are now context-aware by default. They understand everything happening around them. Next, Agent Kit. And this is huge.
It's a no-code platform for building AI agents. Drag and drop. Visual workflows. Zero coding required.
At the live demo, an engineer built a fully functional multi-agent system in 8 minutes. A real working system with multiple AI agents collaborating. What this means: small businesses can build custom AI assistants. Freelancers can automate workflows. Entrepreneurs can prototype AI products.
Remember when WordPress democratized web development? Agent Kit is doing the same for AI.
The barrier to building AI just dropped to zero. We're about to see an explosion of AI. Now the big one, Codex, powered by GPT-5 Codex. Yes, GPT-5 is here for code. Codex isn't just a coding assistant. It's autonomous. It can write complete code, refactor entire code bases, test and debug automatically. Enterprise team gave it a 50,000-line legacy code base. Codex found 47 security issues, refactored 12,000 lines, improved performance by 34%.
Time, 6 hours running overnight. Human equivalent, 3 to 6 months of senior engineer time.
This isn't replacing engineers, it's 10xing them. But the barrier to building software just dropped dramatically. 2 more quick hits.
GPT Real-Time Mini. Voice AI just became affordable for everyone. Voice interfaces are about to be everywhere: customer service, education, healthcare, gaming. Remember when touchscreens were premium? That's what's happening with voice AI now. It's becoming standard.
Sora 2 API turns sketches into professional videos in minutes. The demo showed a rough storyboard transformed into a 30-second commercial. This changes advertising, education, marketing, indie filmmaking, any industry that creates visual content.
OpenAI just built an entire ecosystem. Apps live inside conversations. Anyone can build AI agents without code. Voice and video creation are democratized.
What this means for you: if you're a creator or entrepreneur, you can now do what used to take a team. If you're in business, AI isn't optional. And if you're watching from the sidelines, you're already behind. This infrastructure is being rebuilt right now.
Here's what to do. Try the ChatGPT app platform today. Build an AI agent this week. Experiment with these tools now.
Subscribe and hit the bell. AI is moving this fast, and you can't afford to miss what's next. Drop a comment. Which announcement shocked you most? The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. Stay ahead.